to some auto parts. In this video, we are going to introduce the carbon fiber parts, the carbon fiber side mirror cover, which I'm already introduced before, and also do the installation guide for you guys. But it is out of stock for around 2 or 3 months, and this is a new production, and I'm doing some compare with the growth back, the one removed from my cars, to do some compare today. Why this one is such popular and always out of stock? So first of all, let's check the details of the side mirror cap. This is dry cover one, which is a replacement one, not the sticker. We can find the back side, there comes the full bracket, which is for replace the original side mirror cap. And we will find the carbon is high quality material, and there comes the carbon fiber patterns on the back side. And this is the front surface of the 3K carbon patterns. And we do the high quality painting on the surface. You will find it will be shining a lot after you install in the cars and driving on the road. The only reason to change the spare parts to do some modification as carbon fiber is one reason, just to make the car better look and much style and much luxury design. And we can compare the difference of the side mirror caps from the original one and the some auto parts ones. This is gloss black from my car, and we can find the back side is same bracket postation installation way, and you can find the practice is just a normal look, and the carbon fiber is made for the luxury style, because we know customers who want to upgrade the cars with the carbon fiber look, they all need the carbon fiber side mirror caps, the carbon fiber interior, the carbon fiber bonnet, and the carbon fiber roof rack, and anything else for the carbon fiber ones. On the other hand, I will show you the installation pictures and videos by the end of these videos. On another side, I'm going to introduce this side vent. This side vent is made by dry carbon fiber, and we can find the back side already with the 3M stickers. When you receive it, just to remove the stickers on the back side and 2 stickers on the fan cover. This design make it much better, less noisy when you're driving, and some customers to change the side vent, they worried about the noise when they're driving, and the look will be so weird. But don't worry about that, this will match our carbon fiber package. If you are going to change the carbon fiber in your mind, you cannot forget these ones. On the last week, the videos we are going to show, we showed the new Zhous design. The one is a gloss black one, and it's much better look. If you want to upgrade as gloss black, it's better than the original one, I think. So this is the product, the 2 pieces of the carbon fiber parts I'm going to introduce today. If you have any questions or requests, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and contact our information below for more information. So thank you very much for your watching today. Any questions, just contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.